Upon grand opening of Nakivubo Stadium, let's compare the two iconic stadiums in Uganda, that is Namboole Stadium and Nakivubo Stadium, the only two stadiums that are waiting to be used for Africa Cup of Nations come 2027. Please comment down below and let me know what do you think about these two stadiums. Let's talk about it. Welcome, sports enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the heart of Uganda's sports as we compare the stunning transformation of two iconic stadiums, Namboole and Nakivubo. With Namboole's renovation reaching 80% completion and Nakivubo gearing up for its grand reopening on December 31st, 2023, it's an exciting time for fans. Let's explore the progress and the futures of both stadiums in this head-to-head showdown.
For Uganda, so since you've decided to share Uganda to the world, you all, if you want to see more of Uganda, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that he will showcase what you don't know about Uganda.
First up, Namboole Stadium, the closest of Ugandan sports. With the renovation is at 80%, what can fans expect? Upgraded facilities, modern amenities, and the state-of-the-art pitch are just the beginning. The spectator experience is set to reach new heights with the enhanced seating and cutting-edge technology. The anticipation is palpable as Namboole evolves into a world-class arena. This is when they are watering the grass inside Namboole Stadium in the field. And this is the training ground outside the Namboole Stadium. The land is very big and they are trying to water the grass in the field. Now let's shift our focus to Nakivubo Stadium, the historical game making its comeback. As it nears completion, Nakivubo promises a blend of traditional and modernity. The finishing touches include revamped stands, upgraded lighting, and a pitch that is ready to host thrilling matches. On December 31st, 2023, Nakivubo will reclaim its status as a vibrant hub for sports and community events. On grand opening, Nakivubo will host a well-known musician in Uganda called Alien Skin in the festival called Nkwacho Festival. I'll be giving you updates about that. Both stadiums are poised to deliver an unparalleled experience. But what about the facilities and amenities? Namboole's 80% completion ensures top-notch facilities, while Nakivubo, at its finishing level, showcases a harmonious fusion of history and innovation. From locker rooms to concession stands, the race to provide the best fan experience is on. These two stadiums, Namboole and Nakivubo, are the backbones of Uganda to host the Africa Cup of Nations 2027. However, we have more other stadiums like Philip Omondi Stadium, St. Mary's Chitende, Njeru Playgrounds, and the Akibua Stadium in Irira. I'll be making videos about those stadiums, so if you don't want to miss, just subscribe and press the notification bell. This is a very big opportunity for Uganda to host Africa Cup of Nations 2027. Most people believe that this gonna change Uganda's sports than ever before. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section.
Beyond the matches, these stadiums play a vital role in the community. Namboole and Nakivubo are not just venues. They are hubs for local sports development and cultural events. As they undergo transformations, the impact on the community becomes even more significant, creating a sense of pride and unity. Why don't you do me a favor and you smash that like button? If you do, you're supporting me, at the same time, you're supporting Uganda's games and sports. Thank you.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me.
Nakivubo Stadium, being in the heart of Kampala city, inside the hum buildings, gives it easy access and a vibrant atmosphere. Nakivubo Stadium has different modern amenities such as volleyball court,
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
well-established gym,
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
and international standard football pitch.
let's not get ahead of my time.
This means Uganda is to host the Africa Cup of Nations 2027. Isn't it amazing?
Let's be just my mind. Oh,
This is how outside the Nakivubo Stadium looks like. It's a vibrant atmosphere. The stadium is inside this building. On the other hand, Namboole Stadium, being on the outer skirts of Kampala, gives it a wide space for different amenities such as hotels like this one
baby, you give me
and training grounds.
your chilling window.
The parking is just enough because it is on a big piece of land. Look at the gate.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
This is the main entrance.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
The gate is super big and wide. This is still the same gate.
Butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Inside the gate looks like this. These are houses of askaris and engineers.
Oh,
There is a petrol station here, just in here.
oh,
Here, the beautiful stadium stands out and reads Mandela National Stadium. The grass used in Namboole Stadium is natural, whereas that of Nakivubo Stadium is artificial. This stadium was built on the top of the hill, which makes it beautifully stand out. Now this is how inside the Namboole Stadium looks like. The chairs are fully installed, the grass is super green, and the few remaining parts are yet to be worked upon. Wow, it really gives hope to Uganda's games and sports. The clock is ticking and the excitement is building. Namboole Stadium at 80% and Nakivubo Stadium at the finishing line, both on track to redefine sports entertainment in Uganda. Join us on December 31st, 2023 as Nakivubo officially opens its gate, making a new chapter in Uganda sports history. Which stadium are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of development. Thanks for tuning in, sports fan. Until next time, this is Power. Catch you in the next video.